Nobody knows, baby. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Like that old spiritual used to say. And if it's true for me, darling, it's true for you. In these divided times we're living in, won't you help me understand, sugar, your scars, your hidden pain? 'Cause our stories, they twist and turn in different ways, through the sunshine, through the rain. Hey, yeah. If I understood, baby, I probably could see this world through your eyes. Can we separate? Can we separate these emotions? Let the truth cut through the lies. Can we use our minds, our logical minds, build a bridge where walls divide? Won't you help me understand? I'm just trying to understand, honey. Empathic listening, that's the key, baby. Got to hear before we speak. These traumatic echoes in our minds, they make us strong or make us weak, yeah. Life's experiences shape our views, like rivers carving stone. How do we nurture healing, darling, so no one's left alone? If I understood, I probably could feel the way you carry too. Can we separate these emotions? Can we use our minds, our beautiful minds, for a peaceful world in view? Won't you help me understand? I'm just trying to understand, baby. Ooh. Let's cultivate that civil talk where compassion leads the way. Seek to understand and be understood. Turn the night into day. If we listen with open hearts, the judgments fade away. Nobody knows, but together we grow in this human ballet, this beautiful ballet. If I understood, Lord, if I understood, Lord, if I understood. Separate these emotions, chase away these blues. Can we use our minds, our loving minds, heal the wounds we can't refuse? Won't you help me understand? I'm just trying to understand. I'm just trying